We've got fantastic filaments in the southeast, major sunspot groups, and lots more to cover. Once again, welcome to the Daily Space Weather. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. Welcome to the Smash News Network. Least busted. Name it news. Let's take a look at some more views of the closest star. Here's the colorized magnetogram from the SDO. We've got 4 major sunspot groups, 1 in the southern hemisphere and 3 in the north. As solar cycle 25 ramps up, we assure you that the sun is spherical in shape. Next, the northwestern limb, the source of some rather explosive activity here over the past 24 hours. No major flares, as all of these sunspot groups have largely underperformed. Don't be surprised to see a large flare. The likelihood of that is still quite high. Let's do a full disk view in this same wavelength, 304 angstroms, part of the ultraviolet light spectrum from the Solar Dynamics Observatory. The 10.7 centimeter radial flux has come up to 130 solar flux units. So if it's going to go up from there, we've certainly seen a higher low. Here's the 1-year chart. And if this 127 or whatever it went down to was the new low that we'll see, talk about an upward trend. Check out the latest about 3 months of solar activity. A major uptick. And it looks nothing like a grand solar minimum. Nothing at all like a grand solar minimum. Next, we're at the Space Weather Enthusiast dashboard here. And the NOAA forecast here has been downgraded as far as geomagnetic unrest and geomagnetic storm. Only a little bit of geomagnetic unrest here forecasted for early in the day tomorrow on February 6th. Otherwise, geomagnetic calm conditions are expected. Let's take a look at global seismicity, the largest quake of the past 24. There's a 90-day graph, by the way. The largest quake of the past 24 was this 6.3 in the southern Indian Ocean. There's a location of that, a very desolate portion of the world. That came in at 2025 Universal Time yesterday on February 4th. Let's consult the rest of the list here at the USGS. Afghanistan saw the second largest quake, I believe. That was a 5.7 there at Afghanistan. That one was at depth. Over 200 kilometers estimated depth for that quake in Afghanistan. A pretty shaky part of the world. Shout out to our viewers from Afghanistan if you can actually see the videos. Congratulations on surviving a global pandemic so far. Next, the volcano list. And Etna back on the list here once again as some Strombolian activity, which is explosive in nature, has ended. Krakatoa, and I love the names of volcanoes. Krakatoa! It's such a great name for a volcano. It sounds like it's going to explode. It's been producing phreatic eruptions, which tend to be violent and steam-based. Flight level 070, it's a 7,000-foot ash plume from Krakatoa. Holy cow, it's Krakatoa Pavlov. Effusive activity at Pavlov, that's located on the Alaskan Peninsula. New real estate being created there in Alaska. Santiaguito producing a 13,000-foot ash plume over Guatemala as it explodes. Fuego similarly exploding. 15,000-foot plume of volcanic ash from Fuego. Flight level 150. Nevado del Ruiz has dispersed its volcanic ash in satellite imagery. Fertilizing Colombia. Sangay exploding as well. 20,000-foot ash plume over Sangay. That's located in the country of Ecuador. And Sabancaya producing intermittent emissions. A reminder to not pole vault the caldera. Here's a reminder to visit our merch links and make Earth not suck again. It's up to you to make Earth not suck again. Part of the reason that we have the channel is we're doing our part to make Earth not suck again. So you do your part by picking up some merch, perhaps. Check out the links below the video. There's been a sale going on. It's the Big 1-5 celebrating 15 years of Redbubble artwork. Sorry, the sale's over. But make Earth not suck again. It's up to you, not giant bureaucracies that can't get out of their own way. A bureaucracy that certainly can provide additional information for you is the Smash Team at smashamash.com/smashteam. And for our gold members, we've put up a post about how you've survived the global pandemic so far, and congratulations on that. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. Thanks everybody who supports the content. And one other thing. Make sure you check out our other space weather videos. We've got another one coming up about magnetic features and the magnetic environment around the sun, solar features, and so on, and another one with bonus features. In the meantime, I'll have been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash-A-Mash, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.